Okay, I have 4,000 naira for you. First question is 500. You cannot walk away. Second question is 500, making 1,000. You can walk away. But if you do not walk away and I ask you the third question and you fail it, you return the money.
The whole money.
The whole money.
The whole money.
The whole money.
Yeah.
So better borrow yourself free now. Whether it's just collect one time and you pick race.
Yeah.
So are you getting me? So the third question like that. So you 1-5 is either you walk away or you answer the fourth question. And if you get it correctly, fine. If you don't get it correctly, it means you are returning the whole money. Now, if you get the fourth question correct, then the fifth question is double the cash. 4,000.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah.
Are we good to go? Okay. What is the capital of France?
Paris.
Good. Yeah, shop knuckle.
I don't walk away like this.
No, you can't. It's 500. You are owing me 500. You are owing me 500.
I don't change that.
Eh?
I don't change
You know.
Okay.
So what does do one? What did you do? No, that you do with that. The stage in which a woman passes her fertility state is what? It's called.
Fertility state.
Now, wow, this is not simple. Hey,
I say pregnancy. Or
pregnancy.
menstruation. Menstruation.
No, pregnancy is fertility now.
Yeah.
It means the woman is already fertile. If a woman is seeing her menstruation, it means she's fertile. We're talking about a woman. Now, I'm now breaking it too. Talking about a woman that has gone past.
I was going past all this, so that's monopause. Monopause.
Be bold now. When you know something, be bold and say it.
Yes. Monopause.
Is that your last answer?
Yes.
Eh? Correct. No. Okay, I have 4,000 naira for you. The first question, but you answer my 5 questions to get the 4,000 naira. The first question is 500 naira. You can't walk away until you answer the second question, another 500 naira, making 1,000 naira. At that moment, you can walk away. So it's not him when you run out. Then the third question, you collect, that's 500, making 1,500. You understand? So if you fail it, you return the whole money. If you get it, we give you. Then the fourth question is also 500 naira. So everything will be 2,000. So the fifth question is double the cash. Are you in? Eh? Yeah, in. Please, you'll be audible because your voice is very low. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your first question is, what is the most popular food in Nigeria?
Gary.
That's your your last answer.
I would like to say rice, but Gary, people drink Gary than rice in Nigeria.
Wow. It's alright. It's also popular. It's popular. You have convinced me. Here it is. Your next question goes first. What is the defect of protein deficiency in humans?
Loss of energy. Yeah.
Talking about protein. Protein does it give energy?
Yes.
You have 5 seconds to answer. Eh?
Wait, I know. What is the effect?
Of protein deficiency.
It gives energy now.
Is that your last answer?
Like, is it the effect or what does it do in the body?
Okay, let me put it this way again. What is the defect of protein deficiency in the body?
It gives knowledge.
Do you know what the meaning of defect is?
What's the meaning?
Okay. You have just 5 seconds to answer.
You
have 5 seconds to answer this question. How can I tell you the meaning of defect?
That is just an hint. I can't. that's just a meaning of
Okay,
different
make I speak am
sha.
for broke. I just dey help you name.
Yes, I
Defect
know
mean
now.
say if protein no dey for body, wetin e go cause for person?
Loss of weight.
There is one name for it. One. It's ticking. 5 seconds. One,
Loss of weight.
2, 3,
Loss of
4. Go use down. 5. Give me my money back. Bye bye.
Wow, I never thought you say kwashiorkor.